Best web hosting providers. Want to jumpstart the answer? The best web hosting provider of most people is definitely Hostinger. The hosting provider you choose is critical to the success of your website. Using first-hand experience as a starting point, I waded through all the dependable hosting options and narrowed it down to the best web hosting providers. Read the best reviews of these below plus tips of saving money, the best types of hosting different situations, and my method of picking the right web host. Feather web hosting partner. HostGiga offers the most affordable premium hosting plans with plans starting low as 1.93 monthly dollar. You will find a better deal. Plus get free domain name and SS certificate when you sign up premium today. Top 10 web hosting providers. HostGiga most affordable hosting plans overall. Bluehost best web host of beginners. DreamHost more affordable month-to-month plan. HostGator best for learn minimal needs. Green Creek best friendly hosting site around best making your WordPress site speedy and secure. A2 hosting fast and reliable share hosting in a motion. These are given below. More host is the best choice if you are looking to save money. In fact, their lowest plan 1.3 per month is rock bottom, and if you dig into what each plan offer, I think you will find that virtual everything a new site need included. All of these rates are promotional, so they are going up renewal, but you are able to look in these ridiculously low price on longer subscription. They offer 4 year of single share hosting $6.66.72, which comes out $1.39 per month if you are pay for all 4 year upfront. This an amazing deal. However, be aware that very low price does not include domain name or name privacy. Deposit extra cost. Total upfront charge is lower than the other one last. Even after the promotion pricing ends, the pricing is still very affordable. The single site plan only costs $2.99 per month after renewal, one of the lowest rate in the industry, in fact about the same Bluehost promotional price. Now we talk about Bluehost website. Bluehost is one of the most popular and the best choice for web hosting. This is because of a great shared web hosting solution is incredibly affordable price. They are also tailor-made of folks who are new websites building. Shared hosting start 8.99 per month, but they are major discount if the area new customer. DreamHost um, offers starts month-to-month pricing along with very solid hosting performance. In fact, their month-to-month plan start $4.95 month. This plan includes I website with unlimited traffic along with free SSL certificate. A great deal. They also offer a 1 year and 3 year contract start 2.759 month that allows you save even more money. Even though it's not the lowest one of this list, checkout hosting below. The lowest contract hosting plan still good deal. Overall, their month-to-month planning is make a perfect choice for those who aren't sure about long-term commitment for any reason.